Alright, yo, what up guys? So we got Mk6 GLI right behind me, and he has a res delete, so we're gonna get some clips of him driving by and see what it sounds like. Alright, and then we also have this Mk5 GTI right here, and it has a res delete and a muffler delete, so we're gonna compare both of them and see what they sound like. Alright, yeah, so that includes the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the comparison of the exhaust. So leave comments down below what you think sounds better. So yeah, thanks for watching.